Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisset. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. This month I got it super early and I was like, I had to film a video right away. This is the box. However, here it's the big one. So if you guys don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box with various memberships, and this one right here is $35 a month, and it includes 6 to 7 full-size items for a total value of $175. And sometimes it's actually more than that. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay. So this is the inside, what it looks like, with the blue inside, and then right here I have the card, and the theme for this month is glam vibes only. Okay, and then it tells you right here all the things that I got in this box with the prices, but we're going to be looking at this at the end to add up the value of this box. And I got version 11. Okay, so let's start. The first thing I see right here, it's this. This is from the brand Kitsch Cleanse Rachel, and it's an ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. So it's a tool. It's a surgical stainless steel roller. Okay, so let me see if I could open it without breaking the package and tell you guys a little bit about this item right here. Let me read it. Yeah, it's Kitsch Ice Roller. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So this is $18, and it says this ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. So you use this actually daily. I actually have one of these rollers that I got it also in Boxycharm in one of the subscription boxes, but I actually never use it. I'm not a person to use a lot of tools on my face. I know I should, and the same thing with skincare. That's something that does not interest me. I'm more of a makeup person. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It's a pretty cool tool. It's like a roller, gives you pass it over your face. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay with this actually. Like I say, I have a pile of, if you guys haven't watched my videos, I have a pile of giveaway items that I'm planning to do in either my IG or YouTube. Right now I have a YouTube giveaway going on, and I believe it ends on September 14th, so hurry up and participate. And if you want to, more information about other giveaways or different things that I'm doing in my Instagram, make sure to follow me. It's at @lismania beauty. Okay, so next item I have here, ooh, it's an eyeshadow palette. This one I'm happy about. This is the palette. It's from the brand Eloise, and it says the Queen. Yeah, that's the name, right? The Queen. It says the Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. It says our colors are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. That's super cute. Okay, let me see if I can open this actually. Okay, so it looks like this, and on the inside it's the same as the outside cover. It's really pretty packaging actually, and it has a little texture in the jewels. So this is really nice. Ooh, okay, so it has a huge mirror, as you can see here. And then this is the color. Ooh, I think this is my colors. Okay, so first of all, you have a bunch of different matte shades, and then you have those shimmers, and I really like this color story. You have the pinks. This color pops up here. It's calling my name. I love it. This one here too. This one, you can actually do anything you want with this palette. So I'm really happy I got this actually. And let me see the value of this. This is the Eloise Beauty, the Queen Eyeshadow Palette, $46. Wow. That's an expensive eyeshadow palette. Next thing I have here, okay. So this is from the brand Marc Jacobs. So this brand, we're actually seeing it for the first time in Boxycharm. It's a really expensive brand, so I'm really happy I got it here to try it out. And this is the Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. Okay, so this is a highlighter. Okay, so the packaging is really slick. As you can see here, there was I think 2 different color choices, and this one is 50 Do You, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty bottle, so I'm excited to give this a try. I actually have a couple of other liquid highlighters, and I'm not a fan of liquid highlighters, to be honest with you. I prefer powder. I actually have liquid highlighter because I'm like, I have a liquid highlighter, I never use it, so I just give it a try. And I have from another subscription box, I have another liquid highlighter, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it away, but I'm staying with this. It's a really expensive brand, so I want to try it out. And let me see the price of this. This is $45. You see what I mean? That's really expensive. So yeah, I'm happy I got this in my premium box. Next item I have right here, it's a skincare. Unfortunately, I do not like skincare. I have a lot and I don't use it that much. My skin is very sensitive. I get easily breakouts with different things I try, even with makeup of course, but yeah. So anyways, this is from the brand Emma Hardy. It's the Brilliance Facial Oil. So it's an overnight treatment. It says increases moisture levels, increase elasticity, balances the skin, antioxidant protection. So it says for direction, warm a few drops of Brilliance Facial Oil between your hands and smooth over cleansed face and neck, probably at night for maximum effect. So it is an oil, and like I say, I'm not much of a skincare person, and especially oils. The oils actually cause me to break out, so this is not something I'm really happy about, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna open it to see like the actual packaging, the bottle, to show you guys, but I don't think I'm going to be staying with this, so keep an eye out for future giveaways. Okay, so this is about, oh, the bottle. It's actually a really pretty bottle. What? Yeah, it's actually a really pretty bottle, as you can see here. It's yellow, and then it comes with a little dropper. I'm not going to open it, like I told you. I'm not sure if I'm going to stay with it. I might give it away. So it depends on my mood. But let me see how much this is worth. This is $55. Oh my gosh, that's really expensive actually. Okay, next item I got, okay, from the brand Stila. And this is a Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner, again with the eyeliners. But this one is in the color Vivid Sapphire. Ooh, okay, so it's a different color finally. It's like navy blue. And it's a waterproof eyeliner. It's like a crayon. So I like this for my, I guess it's my waterline. So that's really nice. I actually have another blue eyeliner that I bought myself, but it's actually caused me some irritation in my eyes because I do wear contacts, so a lot of things causes me allergies, so I have to be careful with that. But I'll give this a try, and this is the $22. That's what it's worth. And the last item I have here is from the brand Milk, which we've seen a lot of Milk products in other boxes, previous boxes. Okay, so this is what it looks like, this Milk product, which is called Kush Lip Scrub. So it's gummish. So let me read about it. It's $22, and it says, this ice roller is your new at home. Oh no, wait, sorry, I was reading something else. So, okay, it's an exfoliating, conditioning lip scrub made with natural sugar crystals and hemp stem exfoliator for softer, smoother, more moisturized lips. So it has chia, cocoa, and mango butter soften lips, seal in moisture, and improve texture. Okay, that's really nice, but I'm not sure if you could leave it on or it's something. I have to check for the directions. yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much this product. I'm not even sure how to express what I'm feeling. I'm neither happy nor sad, you know. It is what it is. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay with this, so that's why I'm not gonna open it. But yeah, that's it for all the products I received for this month. I'm going to actually sum up everything I received and tell you guys. So, okay, so the eyeshadow palette was $46. Then we have the highlighter, which is $45. Then the facial oil, $55. The ice roller, $18. The milk makeup, $22. And then the Stila eyeliner, $22. So it's a total of $208. So that's pretty good compared to I only paid $35 for this box. So I don't think it was a total disaster. But of course there was products that I liked and products that I didn't like. My favorite from everything I got, I'm going to say, is the eyeshadow palette. And I'm kind of excited for the Marc Jacobs highlighter. I'm not a fan, like I said, of the liquid, but I'm going to actually give it a try. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you got in your box, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching me. Bye.